Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility, age, nationality, and the specific category you'll enter. Once confirmed, record 2 clear performance clips showing range and style. This proves ability quickly. You should also prepare an ID and a concise bio in the requested language. These streamline review. Finally, create and secure your Hybe account, then double-check regional deadlines and any extra docs. Doing this first avoids disqualification and keeps your application timeline on track. Next, you fill out the online application carefully. Enter personal data, training history, and category choices because accuracy prevents delays. While that's processing, edit your videos to 3 to 5 minutes with clear audio and stable framing so reviewers focus on talent. If you submit original music, include sheet music or English/Korean translations and label files with your name and item. Organized materials make it easier for casting directors to evaluate you and reduce back-and-forth requests. When you submit, upload everything and immediately verify the submission succeeded. Take screenshots or save confirmation emails for proof. After submitting, know the expected response window and the correct contact for follow-ups so you can inquire professionally if needed. If you encounter upload errors or missing files, reupload promptly and contact Hybe support with screenshots. Keep alternate copies and links ready. That way, you finish confidently and have a clear troubleshooting route if technical issues threaten your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.